My name is Kolisi. I play rugby for South Africa, Springboks. I'm from Zwide Township. I think if I didn't grow up here, I wouldn't be where I am today. It will always be part of me, no matter where I go in life. If they didn't love rugby the way they did, I wouldn't have loved rugby the way I do. And I'm grateful for my past because it has made me ready for this journey that I'm on. This trip is about coming home to give back to my rugby club and to my community, to just say thank you. I believe there's so many more people like me out here, but they just don't get the opportunities. I'm so proud that Land Rover is helping my community. This container is going to change lives. It will get so many more people to come to training every day. If you're going forward, try and pull as many people as you can with you. This container, it's the beginning of something huge, something new. It will give them the facilities here. That's how you make the community better. That's how you transform a nation. It's hope.